Hello, hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and it is day 30 of my Tag a Day November. I have to say, out of all the great ideas that I have, that I normally do not follow through, I am so excited that I completed a Tag a Day for November. It has been so much fun, and I can't wait for the new year when I start my Mornings with Danny series, and we're going to have Tag Tuesday, among other things. Thank you so much to everyone who stopped by and saw all my tags, all the kind comments. This has been the best month ever, and I'm excited to continue that. So onto my cart or my tag for today. I used this Slothy Coffee stamp and die from Newton's Nook. I used the Newton's Nook Coffee House Stories paper pad. I used the Stitched Shapes framelets from Stamping Up. And then I used that Sunny Studio scalloped die. I used the circle this time. I really like these fun shapes. And my husband, as he was walking by, he's like, "Ooh, is that for an ornament?" And I'm like, "Well, this one's not, but it would be fun to make ornaments out of this." So very, very versatile. And here is my final tag for November. Feeling slothy, need coffee. There's that fun sloth. I did add some glossy accents to that cup so it's all shiny. Just layered some of that paper, cardstock on the back. Thought it would be fun to enclose with like a coffee card, or if you were giving like a coffee cup or even just a gift card, you could send this with it. So I thought that turned out really cute. So there is the final tag for Tag a Day November. I will be back tomorrow with a look at all the tags I made throughout the month. And then again in the new year, we're going to have Mornings with Danny, and we're going to have lots of fun. Lots of different things, from tags to memory dex cards to coloring to Copic color combos to Fantasy Friday with like gnomes and mermaids and fairies, and Slimline Saturday and Interactive Thursday, so like shakers and fun folds, and Shop My Stash Sunday. Lots and lots of fun ideas. So this month might be, or like December might be a little quiet on my channel, but it'll kick it up a notch in January. All right, I will be back tomorrow. Go do something for yourself, do something crafty, and I'll see you then. Thanks so much for stopping by.